ice cream cones. In a bowl, mix 1 egg white, 1½ tablespoons of coconut milk, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar until you get a smooth mixture. Then put in 5 to 7 drops of pandan extract, a pinch of salt, and a 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour, and mix. Add your 1 tablespoon oil and mix some more. This is optional, but if you want to make it more green, add in a few drops of green food dye until you're satisfied with the color. Oil your pan and make sure the pan is on low-medium heat. Then put in 1 to 1½ tablespoon of batter and try to spread out the mixture as thin as possible with the back of the spoon. Oh my god. Once both sides are browned, let it cool for a few seconds, then roll immediately into a cone shape and let it cool on a drying rack. It will harden quickly. Repeat for the rest of the batter. If you don't thin out the batter enough on the pan, it will not dry well, and thus it will not harden. So for example, this one stayed soft. If you have some chocolate, create a double boiler by putting hot water in a bigger bowl and place a smaller bowl with chocolate in and stir. After dipping your cone ends into the chocolate, so you can dip the rim and you can also dip the pointy area with a hole, feel free to dip into a plate of coconut shreddings and let the cone dry some more. Now that everything's dry, enjoy your cone with some ice cream. If you actually try out this recipe and yours comes out great, let me know. It's also a tasty snack by itself, like you don't really need ice cream for it at all. That is good. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe for similar content. Thanks for watching.